Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate FigJam for collaborative UX workshop activities step by step clearly. To activate FigJam for collaborative UX workshop activities, start by visiting the FigJam website. Log into your Figma account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the FigJam section of the website. Click on the Create New FigJam button to start a new board. You can choose an empty board or select a template that suits your workshop needs. Give your FigJam board a descriptive name to keep your projects organized. Invite participants by clicking on the Share button in the top right corner. Add their email addresses or copy the link to share via chat or email. Set the appropriate permissions for your collaborators, allowing them to edit or view. Once everyone is invited, confirm that all participants have access to the board. Now, familiarize yourself with the FigJam tools available in the left-hand toolbar. You can use sticky notes for brainstorming or drawing tools for visual representation. Encourage participants to contribute by adding their insights directly onto the board. Utilize the timer feature to keep discussions on track during the workshop. Regularly save your changes to avoid data loss during active collaboration. After the workshop, export the FigJam board for documentation or follow-up discussions. Share the exported file with participants for their reference and next steps. This will ensure everyone stays aligned with the outcomes of the workshop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.